Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert your SIM card and memory SD card in Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. So here is my phone and here is the box, and first we need to look inside the box because we have something here, and just open the box. And if we look now here in this little one, we have here a small pin or needle. We need this pin to remove the SIM tray from the phone. And now we need to look here in the bottom of the phone, because here is located now the SIM tray. And with this pin, just put it inside the hole like this. I hope you see it. And now push it, remove the SIM tray, and let's take a closer look to this one. And here we can put the SIM one, and on the other side we can put the second SIM or the memory as the card. Now let me show you how to put your SIM cards. And this is the first SIM, the SIM one, and this is the right position, and you need to put it in this way, and this is how it looks. And it doesn't fall. That means that it fits well in the SIM tray. And now on the back, let's put the SIM 2, and the right position for the SIM 2 is this one. Sorry, let's do it again. Okay, and this is the right position. I hope you see it. So this is the SIM 2 and the SIM 1, SIM 1 and SIM 2. And now to put the SIM tray back into your phone with the SIM 1 in your front, just put it like that, and now push it, and that's all. And now you can power on your phone. And now if you have a PIN code on your card, just enter it. Mine is 40, and check it, and that's all. And now let me show you how to put your memory card. Again, remove the SIM tray from the phone like this, and on the back where we have the second SIM, just remove it. And now let's put the memory card, and this is the right position for SD card. We need to hear a click. Okay, and now this is good. So this is the memory card, and this is the SIM 1, and just put back the SIM tray into your phone, and that's all. Okay, so this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.